In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your address book into Yahoo Mail, whether you're using a CSV file or pulling contacts directly from another email service. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're in, look toward the upper right of the interface and click the contacts icon. It often looks like a little address book or a person silhouette. This opens your contacts area, where you manage and organize everyone you email. Inside the contacts section, find the More Options menu. It's typically represented by 3 dots or a small gear icon. Click it, then choose Import. This is the doorway to bringing in contacts from different sources. Now, you'll pick where your contacts are coming from. You have 2 common choices. The first is a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet-style file that many services use for exporting contact lists. The second is importing directly from another email account, like Gmail or Outlook. Choose the option that matches where your contacts live today. If you're importing from another email service, Yahoo will prompt you to sign into that account. Follow the prompts to log in, then authorize Yahoo Mail to access your contacts. This permission allows Yahoo to read your address book and copy those entries into your Yahoo account. After granting access, confirm the import. Keep the browser tab open while Yahoo processes the transfer. If you have a large address book, give it a little time. When it's done, you'll see your contacts populated in Yahoo Mail automatically. If you're importing from a CSV file, click Browse and select the CSV saved on your computer or device. Most CSVs under about 5 megabytes work well. For best results, make sure your file includes clear column headers like first name, last name, and email address. If your contacts include special characters or multiple languages, a UTF-8 encoded CSV can help everything display correctly. After selecting the file, confirm the upload and let Yahoo Mail process it. Don't navigate away until the upload finishes. As soon as it's complete, your contacts will appear and be added to your Yahoo Mail address book automatically. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open contacts, go to More Options, select Import, and choose either a direct connection to another email service or a CSV file from your device. Your address book will be ready to use for composing emails and managing your communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.